Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this TV folding table. This one comes in a set of two and has a natural wood finish. The table measures 19 inches by 14.5 inches by 26 inches, and it is the perfect height and size for eating a meal while sitting on a couch or sofa. Although pretty lightweight, these tray tables are made of solid wood and therefore are very sturdy. They can hold up to about 20 or 25 pounds without any issues. We also find it convenient to use these tray tables as an occasional side table to put a small lamp and our iPad or computer on if we want to do a bit of surfing while sitting on the sofa. And when we have guests over, we use these tray tables to place snacks on. And what I really appreciate about these tray tables is that the corners are rounded and smooth. In fact, the entire table, along with the legs, has a very smooth surface with no sharp edges. Overall, these tray tables are very versatile and they are lightweight enough that you can easily fold the table up and stow them away or move them to a different room for someone else to use.